So today we got Azalea's first Bluum Box, and she's going to open it for you guys. Go sit down.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in here? Let's see. Is it exciting? Yeah. Let's open this part. Oh. Let's see. So we got a little mailer for your April toddler box. And the paper. I see a book. Oh, what's those?
Oh.
They're little ladybird mittens. That's cute. What else is in here? You got a book.
Yeah.
There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. Oh, there's a CD included. That's cool. A toddler tea party. 12-piece puzzle. Is that cool? What else? And then we got a clip-on sunshade with UV indicator. Oh, I've seen these. These are for your stroller and keeps the sun out of their faces. That's really cool. Oh, and you can do it in the car too. That's really cool. It's by Dream Baby. Really cool. We'll have to put that in the car and stroller. Cool. And I think that's it. That's cool.
Oh.
Did you like that? Yeah? Is that awesome? Awesome! Say bye-bye, guys!
Bye.
If you guys like the video and you want to see her Bluum Box every month, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on what your favorite items were out of the box. Bye, guys!